Alright guys, it's your boy S4J's. I'm back with another video. You watched my last video, it's unboxing the Lasfit LED lighting switchback. Now we're actually going to do an install on the switchbacks LED lighting switchbacks fog lights on my 2016 Dodge Ram. And I'll give you guys a before and after. You see right now, like I have the stock fog lights in now. And then we're going to see what these look like after I'm done. So let's get to it. Alright guys, so if you're going underneath your Dodge Ram 1500, you can see right here is where your fog light is at. See these little clips up here and whatnot. It's a little tight down here. You really probably should move this out the way, but we're not going to do that. We're just going to go over here and see where our fog light is at. This looks like the little pen tool right here. Take that, and you just want to pull that out. Or you know what? If you don't do that, you can always just by doing this. These are twistable. They twist in and out. So you can twist, not clockwise, but counterclockwise, and then you can remove her. So let me get to that right now. As you can see, twist it, going this way, and she comes right on out. There it is. All right, so let's install our Lasfit ones now. So you're going to take your connector that they give you. This is supposed to go back to the original stock one. And then from there, you can plug it into your new plug over here. Oh, man, let me move my hand a little bit. This little plug right here. So these two connect together, and then from there you can plug in your new fog light with it and pop her back into her hole up there. So let me do that now. All right, guys, this is what it looks like when it's all put together. You see there's an LED spot right there, plops into the OEM stock location, and it's all together. So now I'm gonna put this in, and guys, just like that, you put her on back in, and she locks right in. See, there's no movement there. We should be all good. So you can also figure out where you want to put this. You can figure out how you want to mount this somewhere. You can mount it inside, or you can just let it sit like that. Not really. I'm joking with you guys. You guys don't want it to sit there. So what I did on this side, you're just going to do it to the other side. So I'm going to do it to the other side, then I'm going to show you guys the difference. And there we go, guys. Just like that, I got the other one in. So let's see what these lights with the switchback look like now. All right, guys, as you can see, I don't even have to do this at nighttime. This is how bright these are. These things are super bright versus my last ones. 100% worth the buy. You don't even need your headlights. That's how bright these are. I mean, definitely have your red lights, but you get what I'm saying here. These are super bright. Lasfit, shout out to you guys. Definitely good lights. I recommend. I'm gonna put the link in my description, and I'll put it somewhere like around here. I don't know, somewhere right up here. With everything. You guys get a discount if you use my code as well. I definitely recommend this, 100%. Yeah, these are definitely really nice, and the install was super easy, real easy install, less than 20 minutes. Anybody can do this. But yeah, thanks for watching the install. I'll put everything in my link in the description. You guys definitely need to get yourself some Lasfit headlights, LEDs. They do fog lights, you name it. Go on their website. They got a lot of things on there besides just that too. But I'll catch you guys. Also to mention to you guys too, these are switchbacks, so they can go between being white and yellow. I prefer them being white. They're really bright. But yeah, this is easy install, 100% worth it. Definitely buy these. Lasfit, shout out to you guys for giving me this product. Make sure you like, subscribe, go in the description. There's going to be a discount code for you guys. There's going to be my affiliate code as well, so you guys can get a good discount on this product. This is a great product, easy install. I'll see you guys again on the next video.